Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step comparison of the AWeber Pro plan versus MailChimp. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Starting with the AWeber Pro plan, it's designed for businesses looking for unlimited scalability. At a fixed price of $899 per month, it offers unlimited subscribers, email lists, landing pages, and email automations, making it perfect for large-scale campaigns. You can send emails up to 15 times your subscriber volume each month and take advantage of advanced features like personalized account management, sales tracking, low transaction fees, and AWeber branding removal. It's ideal for businesses with over 150,000 subscribers looking for a simple, fixed-price plan that provides powerful email marketing tools without limits. On the other hand, MailChimp offers flexible pricing based on the number of contacts, starting at $20 a month for 500 contacts on their standard plan. For larger businesses, their premium plan starts at $350 per month for up to 150,000 emails. MailChimp provides advanced segmentation, data-driven optimization, and the option to integrate with third-party tools. While MailChimp is highly customizable and integrates well with other platforms, overages may apply if you exceed your contact or email send limits. In summary, AWeber's Pro plan is perfect for businesses that need unlimited email marketing power with a fixed price, making it a solid choice for large businesses. MailChimp, with its flexible pricing and extensive integrations, is great for businesses that prefer a more customizable option based on their specific needs and budget. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching,